here at the arena, the games don't stop. And the Gladiators, they're still super competitive. And when they're not competing, they're sneaky pranksters. Like in the audience.
Oops. Car.
I'm taking over even more amazing spaces. Setting up weird cameras. And I'm Frank HQ. So I can see and hear everything. And this time, I've got celebrity friends involved. Everyone is in on the prank. Except the Gladiators.
Don't you forget.
Oh. Done.
Today's pranky is bionic. Secret cameras? Check.
Fury.
Virtual bird watching shop? Check. An unsuspecting gladiator about to get pranked big time?
Yeah, I wouldn't. What?
Bionic Kids is coming to his garden to train with the local junior athletics club called the Harriers. But he's in for a big surprise. The Harriers are a very serious local bird watching club.
It's not fair.
He's an actor.
It's not fair. I didn't do anything. That's not fair. I didn't do anything.
Look, so you've taken time out to help us prank Bionic.
I can't wait. I have been jetting up on all of my fake bird facts all week.
And that's also because I've invented a fake bird, and these are his eggs that we're pretending that the bird watching club have discovered.
So good. Also, never approached bird eggs in the wild.
These are fake. Megan and Sarah will be voting earpieces, so I can tell them what to say from back here in my HQ. Everyone, give me your best bird impression. Here comes Bionic. Let's just say he's going to have to wing it. Nice to meet you.
I don't work like that, Lisa.
I'm so excited because we're trying to use incredibly rare eggs. And then you'll hear opportunity from Cheryl. You'll we've got 11 she's coming, so it's so exciting. Apparently Megan was delighted to hear you're such a bird watcher.
I'm not going to show patrol.
Oh, what?
Do you enjoy bird watching?
Oh, what? It was empty. I was just. Stop running.
Yeah, but I don't know what's happened now.
Run.
So excited that you're here.
Tell Bionic that you really need his help. The only reason I think it's coming is a win.
Oh, I have a glass of record patch. Look, who's in the dad on there? Gotta be enough. And not the fourth. But not the. I don't think I've ever done that.
Yeah, they look in.
I don't even have all the first full time.
What is your three favourite birds in life?
Three favourite birds. Pigeons. Pretty fun to look at. Parrots can talk.
Yes, they can, yes.
And I don't mind the duck as well. Simple, effective. That was too easy. Next question.
What's your favourite red bird?
That's your cue.
Oh, powerful father.
What are you doing?
What?
Oh, how are we doing? Hi guys. Nice to meet you all. How are you doing? Got a little word on the line. Hi Sarah. So nice to meet you. Hello. Oh, this is so wonderful to meet you. It's wonderful to be here. Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Okay.
Oh, good.
Here.
What? No.
Parrots, yeah. You're not going to see many parrots here.
No.
Oh, this prank is off to a flying start. I cannot wait to show you what happens next. But now, let's head back to the Gladiators arena, where before we take on the contenders, you might find us taking on each other in Gladiators. The rules are simple. Gladiators enter the wind chamber to grab as many of their assigned coloured tokens.
Do not, unless you wanna
Time runs out.
be punching.
Most tokens in
Do
their bag.
not compare.
It's a follow-on game versus hammer.
Do not. Do not.
You ready? Yeah, let's do it. You got that hair cream in? You know. Bit windy in there. I'm ready. Let's go, let's go. 3, 2,
0.
1, go! Alright, 1, 2, 3. Follow the game is to Gladiators. What are you doing? Going for the blue one. Be the blue. Be the blue.
Sorry.
Damn it.
Hey.
Oh, definitely. I can do that. Ooh.
Really?
Come on, Hammer. Your turn next.
Good question, too.
Into the barrel. I'm not sure Hammer's as sharp as
Beautiful.
told him at all. What's the matter? So the aim of the game is to see how many red bits you put in the bag.
Stop as many as you can. I think I messed up on it. So they don't count.
No!
Give me that hammer, I'm off.
Off you go. Bless him, he did his best, but that's an easy victory for a follower.
No, that's not bad considering I played out with my eyes closed.
He thought he was turning up to a junior athletics club, but actually, he's turned up to a bird watching club. Birds.
Yes.
So far, we've ruffled his face,
Oh.
turning him into a bird expert, but now he's about to get so much bolder. Time to tell them about a rare bird that I picked up.
So the reason why we're all here is because of really rare bird, the pink capper. It's later out over there. Have you ever come across a pink capper?
Pink capper.
Pink capper.
What's
I
it?
think I've seen one once a few years ago.
Very rare, as you know, in this area. But I think you may see on the TV, maybe.
Tell me that we're going to try and attract the mother bird.
We are going to try and see if we can attract the mother because it must be nearby, doesn't it?
What?
It must be nearby.
I have everything crossed for what we
Mm.
might see.
And so the best way to do that?
Well, lots of different things we can try and do. So if the female sees us and thinks that we are the pink capper, it'll be more likely to come and protect its eggs.
What's the deal?
Sarah, turn bionic into a capper.
So this is just
I thought you
we're gonna do it.
We can hear
That's easy.
He doesn't
I
know.
know so this is what your arm
Making it proper pink capper.
I'm not. Hey, go.
Very exciting.
I don't think bionic thinks so.
Heavens be damned. Consequences.
Yeah, let's get into this capper news. Tell him that pink cappers only flap their right wing.
With the pink capper, they can only
Well, if you two cannot play nice, I will wrap this party up right now. Or you can be nice. If you two can...
If you give your hands to yourself.
I'm gonna turn this crowd around and there'll be no cake cadaver for anyone.
Tell him to add a noise in.
You gotta add the noise in.
Oh.
Do a conga.
Everyone follow me.
Oh, God.
Come on, it's not fair. Why didn't you Oh, come on.
This break has been a hoot, and there's more silliness on the way. But first, in the collision, we're trying to take down the contenders.
I thought you.
Backstage, we try to take down each other when we play. Ish.
What?
All we
Are.
have to do is blow a ball into the scoring
Oh,
zone
come
using a
on.
straw. All the other gladiators have to do is stop us.
Dude, you're slowing them down.
Lose or straw is
That
safe.
idiot slowing us down.
You ready? Okay, let's go.
Slowing.
Come on. Where's the defense? Defense.
We are lost.
Saber blows out of the collision-ish arena with a decent score, but is it enough? Will Dynamite blast past her? Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go! Go on. Go.
Well, you bet Bottas, Lee.
Go on. Go on.
Well,
You can see it going like.
well, you bet Bottas, Lee.
That's good.
10 points for Saber. We've been pranking Bionic, who thought he was going to be running an athletic session, and instead it's
Uh-oh.
bird watching. He's already been dressed up as an extremely rare, extremely
That doesn't count, dude. It's
and now I've got something fun in store for you.
Come on.
huh?
Bionic.
Well, we did it. Yeah, I guess what I have to do is get the car. I gotta take care of something. Okay, you guys just. You guys go ahead. No, we'll take care of it, head. You should go first.
Gentle. Get your nose right in there.